Hi, I'm Shayna with 2P Studios, and today I'm going to teach you how to schedule social media content using Rella. We are going to start by pressing the content button. I'm going to use my client as an example. I separate my projects by months, but you can create a new project folder if you have a special campaign. Now I'm going to choose the platform. I'm going to choose Facebook and Instagram for now. I would like this post to be scheduled on the 10th at 9:30, so I'm going to select the date and time. And now I'm going to import my graphic. You can do that from your device or you can import it from Canva. And I'm going to select this graphic here. Now I need to choose my caption. I already have it written out, so I'm just going to copy and paste. And the same thing for my hashtags. I already have them picked out. I'm going to copy and paste them here. If you have a hashtag that you use often, I would recommend using the saved button here so you can save them for future use. Now that we have our graphic picked out, the platforms we want to post, when we want to post them, your caption and your hashtags, you can go ahead and select the auto post button. If you do not select this, it will not automate for you. You have to select this if you want to set it and forget it. If you're like me and you want to double check your work, you can preview your post under the Previews tab, and you can change the view of what it would look like on each platform. Now you know how to schedule posts using Rella. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. Be sure to watch our video on how to connect your social accounts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.